Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. Today we're going to do the November STL prints for the month. There'll be multiple parts for this as well. But if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. And check our page on Discord and also our store that just opened as well on Etsy for your 3D prints. More will be added in later on. For now, I got to replace the 3D screen on it. Once that's fixed, I'll add more stuff to it. Have to test print everything for this as well. And pretty soon, some of these stuff that I'm showing you might be ending up in the store, hopefully in the future as well. So we got Heroes Infinite for Dorzok on Death. I haven't seen any video of this yet, but there's only pictures of it. So but either way, dwarves. If you want some very looking dwarves, they do actually very good type of dwarves minis in general. So yeah. So we have Archvillain Gate. Archvillain came with two new one now. You have a fantasy and a sci-fi. Two separate payments. One is $10 for fantasy, $13 for sci-fi, or $20 for both. So it is actually pretty good looking as well. They always some pretty nice looking types of mini, as you can see. I am going to probably do the tiers for this, for the merchant tier for this, if they have it, and sell it at the store very soon. It's going to be a lot of print, a lot of resin, just letting you guys know. But I think it is pretty much worth it, in my opinion. And that sea dragon looks pretty good. Looks like a sea dragon, in my opinion. It would be something else. I think this is what the gate of what? Gates to Ardentos. Moon Dance. I am Moon Dragon. Crescent Moon Mask. I think this is life-size replica. A life-size mask as well. That's going to be a lot of resin. Tell you the truth. We have probably the Moon Elf for it. Probably this will probably be used for Space Spelljammer too. To go to the planet with these kind of things as well. But it looks pretty good models for it as well. This is the first time for me looking at all of this right now. I didn't have time to look at a lot of stuff. But hopefully we'll be able to look at a lot of stuff for it. Oops, sorry about that. And try and see the time for the thing. Supposed to make 10 minutes videos, but yeah, so be multiple parts. So we have a little jackal, spell jackal, a bard with a looks like a cello, might be called something else. So this is pretty good. So something about the moon, a satyr. Was a pretty buff looking satyr too. But yeah, so we got some satyrs, we got krill, moth, we got a couple moth ones, but more moth would be pretty good as well. Moonlight. There's a lot of stuff I want to print and paint. I got stuff I got print and paint for November as well. But we will get that thing situated for it. I'm just looking through each of the photos for it as well. I think it's pretty good. I do like the hair and stuff. I do might have to change the resin. This is the fantasy one, so you can actually use this for your I forgot that little dwarf thing called in Warhammer, but you can use that as well for it. I think the mech look a bit cheesy, but oh well. But you know, your futuristic dwarves that you can use for your pieces. Over and all, it's a very good model to buy if you're really interested on it. But we have a lot of dwarves this month too, that I'm looking through on Facebook and stuff as well. I try to see that dragon I saw in the background as well. Got a flamethrower, a gun, a dwarf, a big ass hammer, dwarf with a gun and an axe gun. I might have to get translucent blue resin to print these, in my opinion, just to get that tint on the eyes and stuff to make it look like that. But I don't have a lot of like translucent blue or like neon blue and stuff like that. See the little jetpack over there. But yeah, that's Archvillain. Cancel that. Arch that as well, and that as well. Okay, we got the Clay Sinai Baltic Religion. So we have the Maidens of Valkyrie as well. So we have some Valkyrie. Probably because of the God of War that's been releasing this. Well, I'm getting this Friday. It's supposed to release tomorrow, so hopefully everyone's going to enjoy that. So this looks pretty good as well. She's a nice looking right there. Not lovely, lovely ladies with showing their bosom for that. And I think this is October. I don't think they have a lot for it. I think this was last month, October school, so they got to change the banner. So we have the Valkyrie coming out this month for this Patreon. A My Mini Monster. Let me see if they actually did. I think they're doing Steels something too. But I don't know. Here we go. Soul Steel. Soul Steel. So this is going to be the one for My Mini Monster. Should be a very easy, paint job for these. It's mostly just silver. You can tarnish it however you want. Pile some gold and some, neon green and blue for translucent as well. You could probably make it, use the color resin to put color resins. Then drill some holes, put some LED lights in it, it'll light up like that. Just expose some of the stuff that you want it to, to light up to. So that should be fine. A lot of things you can actually really do as well. So these are pretty cool looking. This is something when he put in Spelljammer too. So this will be pretty good. It looks like a Tarrasque version of metal Tarrasque right there. That'll be more dangerous than anything for it. You have the dragons. That's pretty cool with the smoke and everything. But this will be pretty cool to print. Eat a lot of resin, and there's that little thing that's from the Matrix. So, okay, let's go to the next one. Twin Goddess. I don't know which Twin Goddess have. Let's see here. October mini bonus available now. Well, they do. October Spooky Goblin. I think this one's this month. So we have a goblin with a big sword with a pack. Oh, that poor goblin girl. Goblin Monk, Jason, Succubus. So I'm guessing these are the extra models, I believe. Did they have released anything out for there we go. So we have goblins. Let's see, Goblin Barbarian. Let's have Goblin Adventure. Some kind of goblin. Goblin Monk. Goblin Princess. Goblin Paladin Fighter. Goblin Warlock. So that's pretty much it for it. My epic miniature. It'll be probably small to see what's there and what's not there. So let's see what we can find for it. November release. Okay, so this is November that we got. So we have a lot of animals and flying creatures. Kind of small for me to see, but we got crocodile, got reptile riding. Looks like more of Arabian Nights and a nomadic tribal set right here. This is all for $10, and this is all of them. Plus, you get the throwback as well. I don't know what the throwback is going to be. Yeah, it's tribals, African tribal stuff for it. So yeah, you got that for November. RN Studio. Those are the ones I already got. I get like 9. I support 9 every month. So yeah, I did not want to get that. They had that on Kickstarter. I'm like, for $20 for that file, nah. I'm good. That was last month. Where's this month? November preview. There you go. So we have the Fantasy Collection. This was from, I believe, 15. It's also going to be from 14 as well. Mech. Not know who that is or that is. He looks like the one from the Final Fantasy VII. What's that movie called? Genesis? something like that. But we have a motorcycle as well. The Legends volume, we have Jinx. Looks like not a Hydralisk. It's some type of Zerg. I know that for a fact. We have an Angel right here. Oh, this is from Legend of Dragoons right here. 2 of the Legend of Dragoons. That took a while for me to find out. This is the Red Dragoon, this is the Purple Dragoon. I think that she's from Legend as well. That's pretty cool. I can't wait to print that out. I'm a huge Legend Dragoon fan, if you guys don't know. And the Thief. So yeah. So we got that as well. I print her because of her bosom. You cannot say no to bosoms. But that's it for part 1. More parts will come up. Hope you do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share if you have it. I'll talk to you guys later. And have a great day, guys. Bye.